Hold on, ma'am. Come here for me.
Hello?
Just sit down in the chair over here.
Yeah.
I'm 1012.
Huh?
Sit down for me.
What's up?
What's your name, ma'am?
Guys over there. Katie?
Katie? Okay. I don't need 1033. I'm 1012. Okay, Katie's your ID in here?
You told me if I didn't do it, you would hurt me.
Who?
This guy in the car. He's in a Volkswagen right
What
there.
car?
In the Volkswagen over there. He just stopped me on the side of the
Volkswagen over where?
Yeah, I got him $2,000.
Volkswagen over
right
where?
over there in the park.
What color is it?
In the park.
What color?
It's gray.
She's saying there's a gray Volkswagen over there that this another party is in.
I'm like shaking right now.
Okay. I don't see a gray Volkswagen.
It's right there.
Sit down. Heath, she says there's another party. It's in a gray Volkswagen in that parking lot over.
What? Sorry.
There's a gray Volkswagen over there that's involved with her.
Over there?
With us? You weren't on the phone with us.
I was on the
Don't call.
on the phone with him the whole time.
How were you going to tell us anything?
And I was going to say something. I was going to say something to the place. I tried to hang up on him. I tried to tell him,
So
hey,
who is this
don't
guy?
do this. Don't do this. I don't know his name, but I know where he lives.
How do you not know his name but know where he lives?
I know where he
I'll come talk to you.
I know where he lives. Because I don't know this guy.
But you know where he lives.
I know where he took me to. It's a house.
He just randomly picked you up.
He picked me up on the side of it. He said, if you don't do this, he said he would pay me. And he said, if you don't do this, I'm going to hurt you.
What's he look like?
He's got gold teeth, all gold teeth.
Okay.
He's got, he had a hat on.
White guy, black guy?
Black guy. He's been trying to get other girls to do it too.
How do you know that?
I don't.
How do you know that?
Because the other girl told me, Brittany, that he tried to get her to do it. But she ran.
Some other random girl told you this?
Yeah, he tried to get, yeah.
Where do you stay at?
I stay at Grace.
Okay. There's no gray Volkswagen over there.
It's a gray Volkswagen.
There's no gray Volkswagen over there. Where do you have your ID in here?
No, I have my ID. I think it's in there. Oh, wait.
Sit down.
It's in my bag. Sorry. It's in my bag.
Don't stand up again, okay?
Sorry, I
Give
didn't
me
do
your ID.
nothing wrong.
Well, you were in here trying to cash bad checks.
I did not cash a check though.
You were trying to.
I'm glad that it didn't go through.
Okay.
You certain it was a VW?
I'm not. Yeah. See.
She said, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a gray Volkswagen.
It's a Volkswagen. I think it's gray or like brown. That's the car. That's the thing that he had me right on.
So especially
He
black
wrote
male,
on.
gold teeth.
He has a gun on him too.
How do you know that?
Because he tried to. He told me if I didn't do it, he'd hurt me.
So that means he has a gun?
Yeah.
It was in the lot that I'm in?
He put a gun to me.
10-4.
What do you think he's?
You didn't say anything about a gun before. He said he would hurt you.
Yeah, he has a gun. Of course he's gonna hurt me.
You didn't tell me that he had a gun.
Yeah, he had a gun.
Now you're telling me he has a gun.
At this point, Katie's story has already begun to shift in a way investigators cannot ignore. At first, she says the man threatened to hurt her. Moments later, that threat becomes a firearm and then a gun allegedly pointed directly at her. Now, trauma can absolutely affect how a victim recalls and communicates events. Fear does not always produce a perfectly organized statement. But investigators also have to consider another possibility, that new details are being added only after the original explanation fails to convince them. That distinction matters because the gun is not a minor detail, it is the strongest piece of her coercion claim. If it truly happened, her failure to mention it immediately may require explanation, but if it was added later to make her actions appear less voluntary, then the credibility of everything else she says becomes much harder to defend.
The X-ray victim.
Probably.
Can somebody go to Grace and get my dog?
No. You don't know this guy's name.
No, I have no idea who this guy is.
Where did he pick you up at?
If I knew the guy, I'd tell you.
Where did he pick you up at?
At right on Waldo Road. Doesn't really matter because I don't know this guy.
What's a good phone number for you?
I don't have a phone.
There's a phone right there.
That's not my phone. That's his phone. Might as well keep it.
Yeah? You were on the phone with him?
Yeah. So I didn't take the money and run. Am I going to jail? Do you mind if I take my medicine?
No.
I can't take my medicine?
No.
Why?
Because I can't confirm that you're supposed to be taking it.
It's
Hold
my
on, let me.
name's on it.
Do you want me to finish? You want to hear my explanation, or
name's
you want me
on
to
it.
just tell you no?
My name's on it.
Okay, but I can't confirm that you're supposed to be taking that, and I don't know what you're supposed to be taking in. So if I let you take this medication and something happens to you, that's on me.
Nothing's gonna happen to me except I'm going to withdraw if I don't take it.
Okay. So walk me through the events that happened.
I was walking down Waldo Road, and he stopped me at gunpoint. And it was a car that looks just like that right over there, black. It was black, maybe it was black, not gray. And he said, if you don't do this, I'm gonna hurt you. And he's like, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go in there, you're gonna get this money, you're gonna give it to me, and I'm gonna let you go. And I said, okay.
Okay.
I was like, I'll do it.
Why am I being told this isn't the first time you've done this?
I've never done this before.
32.
I've never done this before. There's already like two banks that he stopped at. There's two banks, and I did it twice with two banks.
Today?
Yes. And he still has not let me go.
What other other banks did you go to?
The same one as this one. And he still hasn't let me go.
Where at?
I don't know where we were at. I have nowhere. I'm not from Gainesville.
Another tag, I'd like to pay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm doing okay.
You
How
look
you doing?
suspicious. I am good. I'm good.
Yeah, it's not us.
Oh, no, it's not. You're definitely not.
Oh my gosh, that's a shame.
All right, guys. Sorry to bother y'all. Y'all have a great day.
You too now.
All right.
Sit down. I told you do not get back up again. I'm doing you a courtesy by not putting you in handcuffs. If you get up again, I'm going to put you in handcuffs and put you in the back seat of a car, and it's going to be a lot less comfortable than that chair. Yeah, but I've told you 3 times now.
I wasn't trying to be
But I've
rude.
told you 3 times now not to get up.
I'm right here.
I didn't know you were right here.
That's all good.
Hi.
Hello. Oh. I'm here.
This guy's been doing this for a long time.
Okay. What's this guy's name?
I have no idea. I don't know the guy's name. He asked me, he didn't ask me. He put a gun out of his window. He said, if you don't do this, I'm going to hurt you. And I said, okay.
Where did that happen?
What do you want me to do? Have it on Waldo Road.
We're at on Waldo Road.
I was walking down from Walmart.
Okay.
And,
Just trying to get a general area of where it happened.
yeah, and that's what he told me. And this is his phone. I don't even know. I don't even know his name. I don't know his name. He took me to an apartment complex. I don't know where.
So he gave you his phone?
He didn't give it to me. He told me to stay on the phone with him, so he didn't know. Try some dumb.
You never seen him before?
No. He had another person's ID too.
He had another person's what?
Another person's ID too. He was gonna make me do all these check things for him. I'm sorry. I didn't.
Don't tell me you didn't know that it
I
was
didn't
wrong.
know. I didn't know. I don't know this person.
Right. So
I didn't.
you don't know that person.
So the person's putting a gun in my head and telling me to go in the bank.
Okay, was the person pointing in your head while you were inside the bank?
No, but he had
Did
a
you-
phone
Did
that
you
said
tell?
he
Did you
would-
tell the people in there that
He would
you're-
hurt me.
You're inside the bank. He can't hurt you when you're inside the
Yeah,
bank.
but I could come outside the bank and like run.
You can call. You can also say,
I was
hey.
trying to get the check back so I could come outside the bank and run.
You can also.
That's bullshit. You went to 2 other banks.
Bullshit.
You can also say, hey, this guy's out here threatening me. Call the police.
Yeah, well,
You could have done that
he
at
was
any
threatening
bank.
me regardless.
He was not threatening you when you were inside the bank.
He was threatening me though.
You went to 3 banks and you didn't take that opportunity.
He was threatening.
This is where the case turns from a simple fraud investigation into a much more difficult question about duress. Katie claims she acted because she feared the man waiting outside. But officers are now confronting her with the fact that she entered 3 separate banks, 3 controlled environments with employees, security cameras, phones, and possible escape routes without openly asking for help. That does not automatically prove she was lying. A person under genuine threat may believe that cooperation is the only way to survive, especially if the suspect knows where she lives or has threatened future retaliation. Still, every missed opportunity to seek protection weakens the argument that she had no reasonable alternative. The key issue is not simply whether she felt afraid. It is whether that fear actually removed her ability to make a meaningful choice. And after 3 bank visits, investigators clearly believe she had choices she refused to use.
Okay, I don't have any money. Does it look like I have any money right now?
So you did this to make money?
No, I didn't. No, I did not.
You went to 3 banks today.
I'm saying, where's the money at then?
It's with your partner?
I don't have a partner.
What about Walgreens?
He picked me up in the, he parked in the Walgreens parking lot. And when we were in the other place, he parked in the, so you can get the surveillance and the tag there.
Which Walgreens?
Which Walgreens?
Yeah. I mean, you said you parked there.
Right next door. Right next door to it. And then he parks in the McDonald's parking lot in the other one.
Okay. I have 2 different banks here.
Okay. I don't know which one because I don't know where I'm at. I don't know. I'm not from here.
So it doesn't help me to say he parked in the...
Whichever one's next to the Walgreens.
You're really not helping yourself.
I'm trying to help the situation. This is not helping me. My information ain't helping me. I'm still going to jail. I'm trying to help you.
Well, by you saying it was at this place, but I don't know where it was at, doesn't tell...
I just told you that the bank, I don't know what bank, I don't know what kind of bank, I don't know where, I wasn't paying attention to where we're at. I don't know what bank.
My
I don't know
32.
what bank it is. Just check check which one is next to the Walgreens.
4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1.
You ever been arrested before?
Mm-hmm.
For what?
Oh, my mom?
No, have you ever been arrested
Oh,
before?
just for drugs. And then one burglary on my own house. It was my own house. It was my mom's house. She's trying to get me off the meth.
How's that going?
I'm on. That's it.
So,
I can find the guy if you guys. He'll probably come back.
no, he's burned you now. He's gone. He's gotten his $1,880 and took off. How much was he going to give you for cashing the checks?
He said he was going to give it to me afterwards, but he still picked me up at gunpoint. He had a gun in his lap. What's that? What's $1,000? Is that grand theft?
Oh, yeah. Actually, you're looking at a felony for each count, each check that you cashed.
So 2 grand theft.
Well, that's 2 forgeries, grand theft in total. So, actually, each check is a felony, so that's 4 felonies.
The officer now lays out the possible charges in the most dramatic terms: multiple felonies for the checks, the money, and the alleged false identity. But this moment should be viewed carefully. What an officer says during an investigation is not the same thing as a final charging decision, and it is certainly not a conviction. The exact offences would depend on the evidence, the value of each transaction, the documents used, Katie's intent, and whether prosecutors believe her coercion story has any credibility. There is also a strategic reason officers emphasize how serious the situation has become. By showing Katie how much legal exposure she may face, they are pressuring her to provide a truthful identity, location, phone record, vehicle description, or accomplice. The unanswered question is whether that pressure will uncover the real organizer or simply produce another version of a story that has already changed several times.
You see how deep this hole can get for you?
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
Help yourself out. But he just picked you up walking down the street, right?
Yeah.
So you don't know him. He doesn't know you.
I've seen him at Grace before.
Okay. Is that where you're staying now? Is it Grace? Describe him for me.
He's got gold teeth. That's the only thing I can tell you. He's tall and skinny.
Do you ever get out of the car?
No, at Grace? No, he stayed in the car.
But you've seen him out at Grace before, so you know he's tall. Right?
Yeah.
He's Brittany.
She did some for.
That's Brittany's last
some
name.
for him, whatever.
What's Brittany's last name?
I don't know.
You got new information?
No, it says somebody out at Grace may know who he is. This Brittany person.
Okay. They said you still
Okay.
for the fraud check.
Cool.
So, can I talk to you for a minute?
Okay, understand. You are under arrest. Okay. I'm gonna go and talk to my partner here. You know the felonies that you're already under arrest for, right?
Yes.
If you try to run, that's an escape. I'm just letting you know. Katie, I've never met you before. All right. I like having all my cards on the table, so
I'm
there's
ready
no
to just go
misunderstanding.
to lay down and go to sleep. I'm just over it. I'm not going to worry about it.
So, writing bad checks.
No.
Fraud for the checks. She's impersonating somebody else.
Yep.
What?
Obtaining money by fraudulent means.
Okay.
You could go identity theft since she's purporting herself to be this other person. Then the cashing the checks. One we have jurisdiction on, the other one we don't.
Two of them we got jurisdiction on, right?
One in Jonesville we don't. This county.
But this one.
Yeah, that's right. This one and the other one. So yeah.
Do I need to call a deputy out here for the one that's in Jonesville? We pretty much did all the work.
I wouldn't say you need to call a deputy, but you need to let them know and see if they've see if she's. I didn't ask her. I need to ask her if she reported that one to the county. And I could call her back and find that out.
Okay.
He's going to take me?
Yeah, he's going to take you in
Oh, God, he's not to take me.
because I have someplace else to be. Do you know this guy's name?
No.
You ever heard his name?
No. I'm going to just get in trouble for it. And that's probably why he didn't give me any kind of compensation. Why he's like saying, if you don't do this, blah, blah.
All right. You want to stand up for me?
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
Are you pregnant?
Maybe.
Give me your hand.
November 3, 714.
It's not tight at all. It's
I
very
know, but I
loose.
can't move my pan.
You're
not supposed to.
be.
When you get out to the jail, they're going to actually take a urine test just to find out if you're pregnant or not.
Right.
13, 1014, and 1055 back, come on, please.
Okay.